evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Where is she?
We now have what's called a public speaking class. I think you know that it's always been said, when you're working with children or animals, it's always unpredictable. With the children tonight, they've gone through varying levels of shyness, courage, and willingness to want to speak. The odd thing is that it's the fear that they've had when they've heard their voice, they've heard their own voice, when expressed themselves in a structured environment. That's sometimes when the fear comes in. The opportunity to speak in public is really good when you have something to say. However, it's the confidence in oneself that actually allows you to feel good after you've expressed yourself. Enough about me here and about public speaking. One by one, the children are all going to say one sentence that they have chosen themselves, unstructured, and so I'd ask you to please give them a loud applause and also to listen carefully.
She did it. My name is Lindsay Darden Pinto, and I like needles because they give you spicy taste. Hello, my name is Tenzin Chungi Tiring, and I like to swim because it's great exercise.
Hello, my name is Udo, and I like books that include action.
Hello, my name is Lecton and I like playing with my friends and having a good time.
Hello, my name is Tintin and I like playing with friends and Lecton. Dashi Dile. My name is Tintin Dan Doji and my favourite football team is Arsenal. Hello, my name is Kanju and I like...
My name is Ngawang and I like playing with my Xbox 360.
My name is Tintin. I like singing books. I love music. I especially like singing because it makes me happy. My name is Knowing and I like to be free. Hello, my name is Tenzin Juki Soon and I like art because I can express my feelings throughout my pictures.
My name is Rongjong Tarakawa and I like running because it gives me fit.
Dashi Dile. My name is Tinsi Sebe Lobsang and I like playing the violin because it's a lovely instrument.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the future of the Tibetan community.